Got to come around a bit further. That's the way. Good boy. You gonna come down the stairs for Mum? Close the gate. That's good. We always close the gates, don't we? You're all right. Climb through the gate. No, legs, Bubba, legs. Yeah, bring your toys with you. Put your legs down first.